Good morning students, welcome back to the online classes of KBD Academy. Today I am going to teach you class 7 lesson 5 our atmosphere. First question is what is atmosphere? The air envelope us is called atmosphere. So with the thing in the minds, the atmosphere is very important for that because 70% is nitrogen, 21% is oxygen gas and 0.01% of other gases are present. So the air envelope us is called atmospheres, and it is very different for us. That is very important for us this because without atmosphere no living things can survive on this lovely earth. So we should need to make our air fresh by planting more and more trees, and it is very important for us that it is a thick blanket of air present in the atmosphere. It is known as atmosphere, which support life on the earth. Due to the presence of atmosphere, a lot of things happens on this earth. Let us highlight some of its significance of atmosphere in our earth. First one is oxygen is one of the most important component of the atmosphere, which help us to sustain life on earth as well as aids in the combustion of fuel. Oxygen is very important component for that because without oxygen no living thing can survive on this earth, because during the process of photosynthesis plant use carbon dioxide gas and release oxygen gas for the sustaining life on the earth. Therefore it is very important for us. The oxygen is very important for combustion also, because without oxygen gas no fuels can burn. Suppose someone is making a wood from cooking wood from the charcoal wood, there is a light. If there is no oxygen gas, they are not able to burning and lit a candle. Suppose you will lit a candle here and this candle is able to lit, but if you put one glass here, the supply oxygen is not get, and this candle become a extinguished. They prove us that the air is oxygen is very important for the combustion of fuel also, as well as sustaining life on this earth, because without air we cannot survive even 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So that's why oxygen is one of the most important components of the atmosphere, which help us to sustain life on earth as well as aid in the combustion of fuel. Second one is nitrogen is crucial and necessary for the growth of plant. Means plant take nitrogen gas for the growthness of earth, and it produces leguminous bacteria, leguminous crops also that help to support and necessary for the growth of plants. Third one is ozone gas. Is chemical ozone gas is called is O3. It is very helpful also because it protects us from the harmful radiation that are coming from the earth, coming from the sun rays. They protect us from the harmful radiation, which cause skin cancer also, and as well as plants can lose their life also, and the color of the buildings were totally changed to produce of acid rain. That's why this ozone gas protect us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the suns. Fourth is water vapor. Water vapor is very important for the recycling and the cycling of rainfall. Without water vapor help us to keep warm and also sustain life through the hydrological cycle, because the hydrological there is a circulation of water. When the rains, there is heavy rainfall, it goes to the oceans, and due to water vapor it goes outside and again it form in the form of precipitation, that is known as water cycles. And last one is sound waves are able to travel due to the process of air. If there is no air, we cannot hear any voice on this earth. So that's why radio signal also help us to the satellite also. They give us information about the weather forecastings and other process, and due to the sound wave we can able to hear our voice. Issue in the moon, there is no air, we cannot hear any voice of the other persons. And there is also there is a gravitational force that attract the atmosphere on this earth. So this is class 7 our atmosphere chapter lesson 5. It is very important for us, and this is mainly the oxygen gas is very important for the survival of earth, and oxygen is very important for the combustion as well as sustain life on the earth. Second one is nitrogen, which help us for the growth of plants during the process of photosynthesis, and also plant make the foods for the growth of plants. Regulate ozone gas, which help us from the harmful radiation that are coming from the earth, because from the sun 3 rays come. One was infrared radiation, ultraviolet radiation and visible rays. And ultraviolet radiation is very harmful for us. It causes skin cancer also and damage the plants crops. And fourth one is water vapor. They help us to keep warm. This water vapor helps us to keep warm and all cares, and it also help in the falling of precipitation as known as rainfalls. And sound waves are able to travel due to the presence of air. If there is no air, no sound will travel. We cannot hear the voice of other person. This is very tough for us. So that's why we need to clean our atmosphere by planting more and more trees. Thank you. Have a nice day.